Warrior 1. Warrior poses are essential for building strength and stamina in yoga practice. They give us confidence and stretch the hips and thighs while building strength in the entire lower body and core. Warrior 1 is a gentle back bend and a great pose for stretching and opening the front body. Your quads get quite a lot of use, and while strengthening the legs, hips, buttocks, core and upper body, it's a good basis for people to learn to be in this lunge forward position with a good breathing. How is it done? For Warrior 1, you start with your feet about shoulder width apart, both feet pointing forward. Take a step forward, long lunge forward. That's it. Keeping both feet pointed forward and the back heel can lift off the floor. The front knee bent, and then you bring the arms above the head. That's it. Lift your chest up, shoulders back. Nice confident breath, and you're actually going to feel the front thigh doing quite a lot of work in this position. That's a good one for Warrior 1.